The Industrial Revolution. A time of steam engines, dreams and progress. Wait, no, not that Industrial Revolution. Let's move the clock up a bit. That's too far. That's more like it. The Age of Intelligence. You might be asking yourself, how did we get here? The truth is, despite its differences, the motivation for change hasn't changed much since the very first Industrial Revolution. It's the combination of our endless search for better quality of life, the dream of constantly crossing new borders, and the time required for technology to develop. The world keeps spinning, technology advances, and like Charles Darwin said, it isn't the strongest species that survives, it's the one most adaptable to change. That applies to our businesses too. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's start at the beginning. Industrial revolutions radically changed the way we see work, production, and even ourselves. They change the way we live in the present and envision the future. In a nutshell, they bring about new ways of solving new problems. Think about it like this. It's in human nature to want more, and that's pretty much the main driving force behind human evolution. This constantly brings us new challenges and problems that require new solutions to answer, which in turn brings us more technology. And do you know what happens to those who don't adapt when these revolutions take place? That's right, they become obsolete and go extinct. So, what's this got to do with maintenance management? The first age was the paper age, the maintenance logbook. Computers came after and gave us spreadsheets and databases, which later turned into computerized maintenance management systems, the CMMS. This changed the way we log tasks, gather data, and make information available to others. We went through decades of systems of records, whether it was on paper or computers. But then our world did what it does best: evolve. Buildings became more technological, facilities users became more demanding, and safety and health regulations more critical than ever before. Today, we're forced to find ways to deliver what's expected of us, our teams, and our businesses without putting any additional strain on a planet already strapped for resources. The answer to that is to rely on technologies that not only collect and store data, but also automate tasks, optimize our ever-limited resources, and enable the decision-making required to meet rising expectations. Facilities, data, and people, all connected by intelligence. That's our age, the age of intelligence, the age of Maintenance 5.0. Maintenance 5.0 takes everything we learned and the technology we've developed so far and puts our planet, our businesses, and ourselves, humans, at the very centre. It combines artificial intelligence with machine learning, cloud computing, and the data generated by millions of assets and IoT devices to generate better planning, achieve higher output, and add a whole new priority to maintenance and facilities management: sustainability. And you should be a part of this digital transformation. Today, only 25% of businesses make it to 15 years. Companies that fail to keep up with the times go extinct, and even then, from those who do try it, 80% fail. The truth is, though, those who do make it also report an increase in profits, all of it while helping mankind and our planet move forward. Sounds like a good deal, right? Maintenance 5.0 is already here, and intelligence maintenance starts here.